In this video, you are going to see how to apply filter in Microsoft Excel. Here I have applied the filter. If I want to see some designation, just click on over here, click on OK, then I will get the filtered data. So what is the way to get the filtered data? If you want to filter the data, just click the top row, go to home, go to over here sort and filter and click on filter. Then the filter icon will be appeared. Now click on this drop down and I can choose the desired text over here and I can get the filtered data. If I want to multiples option, just select the multiple, then I will get the multiple data. If I want to get the full name, choose this one and here is the output. If you want to uncheck the filter, go to home, go to sort and filter and uncheck it. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe.